Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, got another package in the mail. This is a package I received actually quite a while ago, I think well over a week ago. Been sitting on my desk waiting for an unboxing, and the time has come. Now this has got some pretty significant stuff in here. Got it back when silver and gold had dropped in price. And it was on a weekend and ordered one day and then ordered again the next, deciding that it's probably a good time to pick up a little more. As you can see, this is a pretty heavy box. I'd say it probably weighs 40 plus ounces, but hey, how would I know, right? All right. So I'm pretty excited to get into it. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so thing is like I said, I ordered this on two different orders, but they sent it all in the same box, which was, fine, I guess for them, because it's cheaper for them to ship it. But it would have been nice to see it as two separate orders, but oh well, let's cut into this thing and see what we have. I did pick this up from SD Bullion, which I find, a lot of times they have the best prices on some things. I do a lot of price comparisons. You guys know that I'm a stacker. I don't like to spend any more than I have to on stuff. And so before I make a purchase like this, I will go around to all the main retailers and look at findbullion.com and find where I can get the best price, because you know what? It all matters. So here we go. SD Bearing Supplies, Yankee Road in Ottawa Lake, Michigan. So, in the same state that I'm in. But yeah, so have some weight, folks. This is going to be a nice unboxing. Man, can't believe I left this on my desk so long. Alright, so let's go ahead and trim this away. Take a peek inside. Oh, I can see there's an invoice right inside. So let me slide that out of there. Open this up. And that's right, folks, a box of paper. But it's good paper. Let's see what's below that paper. Oh my gosh. Would you looky yonder. We have a roll of ASEs. We have another roll of American Silver Eagles. And, we have something else in there as well. All these little brown boxes. These are great for shipping stuff, of course. I rarely ship things because I don't usually sell the things that I buy. But let's take a look. We'll save this for a moment here. See if I can turn this light down a little bit. Keeps scrolling up on me a little bit. Alright, so let's see. I don't remember what years I ordered. I don't think they were 2020s. Maybe, it's hard to remember. Like I said, I ordered them quite a while ago. Looking to sell? Well, you know who to call. SD Bullion. Awesome. Yeah, these guys got to get their stuff from somewhere if they're not going to buy them from, especially the older Eagles, right? They got to pick them up from people like you and me because they're not sold at the mint anymore. So maybe I'll stick that up on my desk somewhere just in case, but don't plan on selling anytime soon, that's for sure. Let's pop this open. Let's see what year these are. Oh man, look at this. These are 2020s. I did buy the 2020s. Oh, that's great. 2 tubes of them? Maybe. Look at that. 2020. Is that thing beautiful or what? Look at that. Beautiful. PU coin. I always flip these things over the wrong way. Oh, what is that? A milk spot? A milk spot on a 2020? Uh-oh, the U.S. Mint has some explaining to do. How could we have a milk spot on a 2020? Oh my gosh, it's terrible. Wow. That is not good. Let me check another one. Wow, it's just bragging about SD Bullion and they sent me coins with milk spots on them. Man, that one looks pretty good. Although I am noticing some, looks like a black speck on there, but you know what, if you look at it, it's just the way the light's bouncing off it. There's a spot there, but it's not black in real life. I think it's the way the light's hitting it. So what's weird is I think these both had the black spot in the same place. See it right up above the wing on the eagle? It's not really it's just a flaw, I think. It's not a spot. It's like the coating is different there. Wow, I'm really amazed at the milk spot on that thing. It is not good. What's up, US Mint? What are you putting out milk spotted 2020s for? That is not good. I'd like mine BU with nothing, no flaws at all. You're breaking my heart. Look at that. See that up by the eagle? Eagle's wing right up there. There is something going on with that thing. I don't know. Why don't I try the coin cam and see if we can get a better look at that, see what that is. Yeah, so you can't really see it on the coin cam because it's not really a spot like it looks like on the other camera. It's looks like something hit it, or maybe in production because they all have it in the same spot. That is really weird, huh? Where are the coin cam up? Let's look at that milk spotted one. See if it shows up on the screen. Look at it. Now you can't really see it on the coin cam, but it appears to be right above the O and L in dollar. See that little spot right there? Looks like there's another one over here. Yeah, look at that. Milk spotted American Silver Eagle 2020. Boy, that's depressing. But it is what it is. We all know that silver can milk spot. I usually see them on the Maple Leafs and Britannias, but I don't have very many American Silver Eagles that are milk spotted, so you put my talking bullion round back in there. Well, that's like I said, that's pretty sad. U.S. Mint's putting out milk spotted coins in 2020. Let's look at another one. We won't look at them all, but I'll look at them all later. But look at them under the camera. When will I ever learn how to flip these things? I do not know. Got that black spot above the wing. So yeah, these aren't really impressive, SD Bullion. Every other time I've ordered from you guys, you've sent me flawless stuff, but these are not flawless. I don't think they're necessarily your fault. But yeah, US Mint, you got to be putting out better stuff than that. Look at every one of these things have that same spot on the wing. So that's 5. 5's good enough to check. So, all right. Well, that was a pretty surprising roll. Wonder what's going to happen when we open this one. This is one of those ones where the lid's not all the way in. Look at how that coin is. I wonder if the styrofoam or something got caught underneath it. Another strange one there, SD. Man, not sure what's going on with these things. Usually I always get almost flawless stuff from you guys, but not so much this time. It's open. Yeah, that coin was caught up inside that lid somehow. Alright. These are also 2020s, as we can see in there. 2020. Kind of hard to see. Let's pop one of these guys out. Take a look. Up glad I got 2 tubes of 2020s. The one I got from SD Bullion the other day was 2019. That's right. These were 2020s. And again with the spot up around the wing. See it? And again, to the eye, it looks more like a blemish. It actually looks brighter on the coin, so the black is just a reflection of the light. But yeah, all these coins have that same spot. Must have been something on the die. Scarred them up. Wow, maybe it's worth a ton of money. Or maybe the U.S. Mint just is not putting out good quality stuff. Look at that. But again, if I look at this in real life, if I didn't see that black spot with the coin cam, I would not even notice it with my naked eye. Just a little blemish on the coin itself. I'm going to have to go show Mrs. TV our first milk-spotted American Silver Eagle. All right. Well, there you go, folks. We have from SD Bullion 2 tubes of Eagles. 2020. Last year, this design. So I'm sure they're probably selling a lot of them. But I will check back in on these later. For now, I'm going to put them back in here so we can get a good look-see at this nice 40-ouncer. Pretty cool, huh? Let's set that here, and let's find out what we have here now. As most of you know, I like to get random dates when I order my gold. Not always, but random dates are cheaper for some reason. So it's always a little bit of a surprise on what you get. So I'm not sure what this is, but I'm excited to look, so why don't we look together? Random date gold coin. I remember what kind of coin it is, but I will not know what the date is because it's random. I'm going to take it out of the flip here because the flip is shiny and you won't be able to see it anyway unless I take it out. Ooh, this thing's beautiful. Wow. So here we go, folks. It's an American Gold Eagle. And it is a 2004. Look at that thing. Oh, I wonder if this is a proof coin. This looks proof. I did not order proof. But look at that. I think it is. You can see the frosted eagles. Let's zoom in on this thing. Wow. That thing is gorgeous. Look at that thing. Man, just a mirror finish. Look at my finger. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. It's got a W mint mark on it. See it right down here below the 4. I don't want to scratch it with my knife, but down there below the 4 is a W. I believe that's a mint mark. Well, it looks, Lady Liberty looks frosted to me, so not really sure. If it's not a proof, it's a darn nice bullion coin, that's for sure. So yeah, 2004, random year. Look at how beautiful that thing is, huh? Just gorgeous. See the initials down there, MB, and I think there's a JW. 1/4 ounce fine gold, $10 face. I wonder if I walked into a gas station, bought $10 worth of gas, if they would take this. I bet they wouldn't. I bet they would not. Wow, look at that thing, 2004. Is that a beauty or what? Wow. I'm in love with that coin. I've been buying some more American Gold Eagles this year. A lot of times I buy the pre-1933 Canadian Maple Leafs, but this is a beauty, no doubt about it. So there you go. Let me zoom back out here. Take a look. Wrong way. Oops. And this is what was in the box. Turn my light back down. There we go. 40 ouncer and a quarter ouncer. Huh? Ooh, is that awesome or what? Great purchase. Got these for a really good price when silver and gold dropped a couple weekends ago. Just plummeted. And most people have their videos out now because they've already gotten them. Like I said, this is sitting on my desk for about a week. But this was a great price on these things, and that's why they were ordered. You know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do, and now the volatility is bouncing all over the place. So who knows where we will go from here, but for now, just stacking. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.